Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to reset Windows 11 without losing your data. Let's get started. If you're having problems with Windows 11, you may want to reset it, but you probably don't want to lose your data. Click on the Start button at the bottom of your Windows 11 screen. Open Settings. You can do this by clicking the Settings icon or typing Settings into the search bar. In the Settings window, make sure System is selected from the left panel. Scroll down until you find Recovery, then click on it. Find the section called Reset This PC and click the Reset PC button on the right-hand side. A pop-up window will appear with two options, Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Since you want to reset Windows 11 without losing data, choose Keep My Files. This option removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files safe. Click Keep My Files and Windows will start preparing for the reset. Next, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows, cloud download, or local reinstall. It's recommended to choose local reinstall, then click Next. Windows will prepare the next stage and show a summary of what will happen. The reset will revert settings to default, keep your personal files, reinstall Windows, and remove all apps. You can also view the list of apps that will be removed. Don't worry, you can reinstall them later if needed. The important thing is all your personal files will be kept safe. Finally, click Reset to start the process. Windows will now reset your PC. This may take some time, so be patient.